This is the hardest hitting tax in the entire budget, and it's the one that no one is talking about. It's not the mansion tax, not the 2% rise on rental income. The real hit is the freeze on income tax thresholds until 2031. This single change raises around £8 billion a year, more than any other tax measure in the budget, and it hits every single working person. If your income rises with inflation, but the tax bands stay frozen, and you quietly pay more tax every single year. And over the last decade, inflation has been about 30%. So if your salary goes up 30% over the next 10 years, you're not richer, you're just keeping up. But because the higher rate tax threshold stays frozen at £50,270, you get dragged into the higher rate tax anyway. And that's why this tax freeze is the most damaging tax of them all. It's silent, it's automatic, and it hits working people the hardest. You're welcome.